Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. This is a quick review of my HIOKI DT4282 True RMS digital multimeter. We're going to do just a resistance check using this this resistance decade box, and we're going to just see how well it does in action. All right, here we go. I have at the moment I have all of them set on 0. So we're going to start from the highs to the lowest. Let's start. I'm going to put all of them on 9. Okay, so there's 9. That's time 9. That's time 100. Time 1,000. Times 0.1. And times 1. You guys do the measurement on that. We're going to do 8. That's 8. That's 8, 8, 8, and 8. And underneath, I'm going, it's underneath is 0. I mean, that's times 10, times 100, times 1,000, times 0.1, times 1. Just so you'll know. So right now, all of them are set on 8. Let's try 7. Okay, you guys do the math and leave in a comment what you think about this meter. Let's do 6. Okay, let's do 5. Let's do 4. Three. 2. And 1. All right. Y'all add them up, guys. Tell me what you think. Leave it in the comment. Don't forget to check out my channel, the Electricians 2 channel. There's more to come. Take care. I'm out.